All right, let's take a look at the Canon RF 24 to 50 millimeter lens, one of the most compact and beginner-friendly zooms in the RF lineup. If you're using an R8, RP, R6, II, or any of Canon's full-frame RF bodies, this is the lightweight everyday lens designed to keep your setup small. At 24 millimeters, it's nice and wide for travel, vlogging, landscapes, and general everyday shooting. Zoom into 50 millimeters, and you get a natural, flattering look that works great for portraits, food photos, street shots, and daily content. It's a solid range for anyone who wants a simple walk-around lens. You also get image stabilization, which helps a ton for handheld video and low-light situations, especially when paired with a body that also has IBIS, and the STM autofocus is smooth, quiet, and perfect for creators recording video. No focusing noise messing up your audio. The image quality is surprisingly good for such a tiny lens. It's sharp, lightweight, affordable, and just super easy to carry around. No bulk, no stress. Just a practical everyday zoom. So who should buy this? Beginners, vloggers, travelers, families, and anyone who wants a compact lens for simple photo and video work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.